to Oregon's independent, Jural Assembly and all others. October 6, 2020 by Anna von Reitz. By definition, there is one Oregon Assembly, made up of all the people who live inside the state borders. It's the same way in all other states. The only way you are not part of the Oregon Assembly is by, voluntarily, adopting a different political status as a federal U.S. citizen or citizen of the United States. Unfortunately, these foreign political statuses, both, have been conferred upon you since a few days or weeks after your birth, and unless and until you object to that and reclaim your birthright political status as an Oregonian, you are legally presumed to be a foreigner in your own country. Reclaiming your birthright requires you to make specific declarations about who you are and where you come from, etc., and record all that properly with a land recording office. We used to do it, and people still can, by recording via a state-of-state land recording office, but we have also opened up our own new blockchain land recording system. Doing the paperwork is easy now. Learning who you are and how your actual government works is a harder task. Once you and your fellows figure out where the Jural Assembly fits in the whole process and function of a state assembly, you'll be able to plug your puzzle piece into the whole and everyone concerned will be happier and more effective. You are right that the civilian courts are a key component, necessary for Americans to be free and safe again, and right that the Oregon Jural Assembly has a crucial job to do. What you are not seeing is that the Jural Assembly is, again, by definition, part of the larger framework of the Oregon Assembly. Each state assembly has 4 principal jobs or functions. 1. As a general assembly, it addresses issues within the state borders. 2. As a business assembly, sometimes called an international assembly, the state citizens who are members of the state assembly decide international interstate issues. 3. The Jural Assembly, which is composed of assembly members, sets up and oversees the civilian courts, organizes and oversees elections, etc. And 4. The State Assembly Militia is the, well-regulated, militia that each state is guaranteed, and it is the peacekeeping and emergency response force responsible for protecting the people of your state from foreign invasion and natural disasters. Our entire country is supposed to self-govern, and it is a lot of work, but if we want to be free, and if we value our birthright as Americans, we have to do it. If you enjoy having Anna's latest articles made into videos, please consider making a purchase from Ed's website sacredintuitiveelements.com. Thank you.